I have this door here, finally here, ordered it a few weeks ago. Need to install it in this section or this hole here. So the first thing we gotta do is get this plate out of here. Oh, look at that! Cut my cord. See that? Oh, suck. All right, so I've ripped 2 studs down, 6 inches, because this is 5.5 plus a 1/2 inch piece of wafer. So first thing first, gonna put some construction adhesive right here. This is just gonna be to kind of hold the door down and to give it some, so it doesn't squeak and move as you step on the threshold. Okay, so I'm gonna flush that up right there. Put a shim right here. I'm gonna put a nail right here, right there, right into the stud, and right where my hinge is. So there's that one. So now that I have a shim down here and it's nailed at this hinge, I want to do the same thing right here. Okay, so I got this good in this direction with the level, and now I just need to make sure it's good, or this direction with the plumb.
Sorry, I have my arm on it.
A little bit tricky.
Hold on.
I gotta drill it and hold it all at the same time. So once you get it good, this direction and then both directions, you just want to drill it. Ah, crap, it moved. So it felt like it just moved. So I'm just gonna check it again to make sure. So that's good in that direction. That's good in that direction. Screw it down. 2 shims, one on this side, one on the other side. I just heard that they cancel all the NBA games or something. That's pretty crazy. Okay, so there, that goes there. I put some shims down there, put some shims here, just to make sure. Ow! Ow! This is my first time installing one of these doors myself. Done it with other people before, but never by myself. Trying to get this right, and I'm kind of fumbling through it just a little bit. Okay, let's see if it shuts good. Still tight. Got it installed. The door is in. It shuts nicely. And I just need to put the doorknob on. I have a temporary doorknob that I bought. So that looks good. I ended up screwing it right here, here, and here where the hinges are. And then I put a screw here and then one down there. I did that on both sides of this door. So the important things to do when you're installing a door, you want to make sure you plumb in this direction. You want to make sure you plumb in this direction all the way around. You start on the hinge side. You can either bolt it right to your stud wall right here, your trimmer studs, if you are level. I like to put the shims right at the hinge and then put it like this and then make sure it's all level or plumb, and then I'll plumb it in this direction, screw it in, and then I will come over here and do the same thing. Once you get it screwed in, you have to make sure your reveal is good here all the way down. You want to make sure it's roughly about the same. I've got about 1/8 of an inch. And then you're good to go. So the only other thing I need to do is just cut off these shims and put the foam in here, the door and window foam in there and across the top. You can see I added this piece right here because it was just too much. I don't know why it needs to be that much, but I just added this filler piece and then I'm going to fill it with foam. So now I just need to put the doorknob on. It's a temporary door. It costs about 15 bucks, a temporary doorknob. And this guy goes here, like this. I get this thing tightened down, like that. So I'm gambling with putting the striker plate tight this way. I don't know. I'm gonna pre-drill these so this doesn't split. Would you look at that? Okay, so there you go. So I'm gonna shut this door for the first time. Oh man, that was good. That feels good. That is awesome. That is awesome. Put the keys over here. Do not tell anybody. Now I finally got the door in. I've been waiting for these parts forever. The door I was waiting for, and I was waiting for the windows. They're finally here. So the windows are over there. So over there, I've got a big garage door coming. A flat panel garage door. It's gonna roll up. Hopefully it doesn't look totally ghetto with the stupid rails. It's really annoying. And I was thinking about getting the kind that rolls up into like a circle, corrugated, but that's just gonna be sucky on insulation, so I decided against that. The door that's set to go in the hole that is behind this plywood here, or this OSB, it's set to be a pivot door, and the pivot door only because of the width. So the width was determined by the width of these windows, and so I just want it to be all even coming down, and so the door is that wide up there. So that is that is turning out to be maybe not a great thing. I'm not so sure how I'm going to handle that because the pivot door is very, very expensive. So we're talking lots of money. Way more than I want to spend. So I'm sorry that it's taken so long to give you an update on the shed, but there has been no update. I haven't been able to get anything done because I've been waiting for that door to come and I've been waiting for those windows to come. But now that they're here, I can start installing them. I do need to do a little bit of work on this triangle window. These windows are all ready to be installed. I've got to bump this stud out right here just about 3 inches this direction. Same on that side. I don't know how far I'm going to take this on the inside. I probably will not finish it. Probably will just leave it dried in so I can put all my stuff in here. Anyways, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.